Goodbye, small kittens. Mama cat lies half asleep. 5 small kittens snuggle tight, safe and sound through day and night. One is bold with stripes aflame, always first to play a game. Climbs the curtains, swats the air, chases shadows everywhere. One is white with tiny paws, loves to pounce and knead with claws. Hops like snowflakes on the floor, then curls up and starts to snore.
One is black with eyes like gold, quiet, gentle, calm and bold. Hides in shoes and under chairs, then leaps out and gives you scares.
One is gray and full of grace, always washing every face. Paws tucked in, she sleeps so neat, purring softly, pure and sweet. Last, a calico so small, she mews the loudest of them all. Tumbles, wiggles, climbs with glee, a ball of joy and energy. Mama purrs and licks their heads, guides them all to cozy beds. 5 sweet kittens, soft and new, safe beneath